It's okay. It's a nice clown. Layla, it's okay.
Alright, Mariah, it's done. We have to pay. You can open. Mariah, open it.
Oh, it's good. Look, check out her mask.
Mariah, hurry up. It's not scary. It's lighting up. Look.
It's alright, Layla. We scared her by yelling.
Mariah, there's nothing here. We're at the thing paying.
Thank you.
I'm closing this.
I really opened my eyes.
Mariah, you're missing the whole thing. Because your eyes are closed. Look, we're going through a road. There's nothing here.
Okay, watch me hit the things.
Take them out. Take them all out.
Shoot it, clown.
Mariah, there's nothing here. Look.
What is that thing?
It's just cones and machines.
What is that thing?
What,
Yeah,
that?
that's pretty cool.
It's just
Look
lit
at that.
up.
Okay.
Mariah, look, it's lit up. You bought.
That's weird.
How do you get in?
Are
Ew.
you still recording?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm recording
Yeah,
everything.
record this whole thing.
Are you gonna just go in? Oh my god, there's a clown!
Yeah.
Are we gonna go in? Wait, are there scary things in there?
Mariah, look, it's not scary. We're in the car wash. That guy scared me because I didn't know he was at my window.
Alright. People coming. Is there people coming? Funny. I know
Okay. Do I put it in neutral? I can't read what it says.
they're human. How long is this car wash?
We're not even in it yet.
Oh my god.
20 years. 20 years later.
You have the windows locked.
Yes, I have everything locked.
It's getting close.
Oh wait. Wrong way. I was the one that died.
Changing colors. Color change. I can't see.
Okay.
It's like I only see the sky.
So what happens
Oh
now?
my god, I get scared.
I'm getting
I told you they can't jump out now because they'll get all wet. Is that it? Like, was that the haunted thing? You just...
I don't know. It's alright, Layla. It's just water right now.
Oh, she's
Okay. Oh my god. I'm right here. It's alright.
What is it? Don't look. What is it?
Oh my god.
Get out.
Daniel went all.
Why are they all on my window?
Oh my god.
It's so scary.
Layla, it's just a clown.
I'm not okay with it.
It's just a clown, Layla. It's just a clown. Mommy,
Right.
Mommy would beat it up before I did anything.
I see someone staring.
Where?
You don't see nobody up here. That was James.
Who's knocking on the window?
James, your jerk. Oh my god, there it is.
There's somebody right there.
Oh my god.
I want to open my eyes, but I don't want to open my eyes. Don't open your eyes then. Someone there.
Oh my god. I'm gonna go this way. What the hell?
You have to put it in drive seat.
He's like blowing in the air. Oh my god, it's on the ice.